Howdy. Yeah, I'd like to show what I would call a barrow down. This is what we call a barrow down, or like a sidhe mound. Now you can see to get to the back side here is kind of a, you gotta duck down. You can't really get here, but this is like the access route. So you can see this little can straggle, and it's not exactly, industrial waste, and it's not natural. You see this? So now you look here, this is coming into the entrance. Now there's anomalous things. Now look here, you can move these things to access easier. It's not, from this angle you can actually apprehend the surface of this. And if you look here, this is a plane of soil. It's underneath these, little, you can't see from perspective, but it's got a little wall up. It's a little higher. So but there's something to dig up in there, which I'm not gonna go and do. You can move these things to get in here. You see a little cubby and some animal. Put a little ball in there. See a little ball? It's got the teeth marks. And it's interesting. You get this little scrap curiously placed in there by some, forager of some sort. But here, this one, look at this. This little cord here. See? This little knotted thing and that knotted thing. And it goes over there. And then you'll see this quite often when you find a barrow down, like funky little, you'll see like wood and rock doing this strange positioning. You wouldn't really notice it, as this one's a little noticeable. This is just a little cord, and it could be like, hey, someone buried something down there and they tied something to it so they'd find it. Simple as that. Could be just that simple, but you see there's something buried here. Probably the soil is quite anomalous because it's planed up higher, and on this mound, it's not like, it's not just like an industrial, well, anyway, that's that's what we'd call a barrow mound, sidhe mounds. You see these things, so you can't really see perspective from what I'm looking at. You can't, you get the monocular view of a camera, but this is what we call a barrow mound. You see there's another little cord over there, but that just doesn't look so strange. But to the eye of keenness, it does. There's only so much, randomness industry and animals will do. This is what we call a barrow down.